streams, trailing private planes. Current of change flows around you, while air is full of have and of hate. Air is full of acceptance and of praise. A robin's world exists not far beyond her nest. She's flying below your planes, and so you claim to be a superior species, but your influence has become weak with bigotry. Proud feathers ruffle when humans disagree. Broken twigs sailing down from family trees. Drop your complex off to the ground. Look up, look out. There is no only way. Listen to the morning sound of a species burying itself under heavy ground. Protect your eggs, withdraw your 401k, keep the hawks away, but don't forget, the snake also craves to live another day. No need to fear strange currents in the air we all share. The snake may look different, move different, circulation pulsing on winds distinct, different colors of cold blue blood rising to meet a very distant sun. We all share the same home, we all tithe the same source of light, of now, of peace. The current always flows downstream, and while the north wind, she tries to push it back up, tolerance still flows around river rocks, stuck in the mud. River of acceptance, cool, cleansing, just graces your tippy toes, but still wakes you up. Opens your book, page 2545. Your neighbor is gay, your neighbor is white, your neighbor is a woman with a loving wife. Wake up, show mercy, advocate for love, advocate for life, given the chance to flow freely downstream. Wake up. Integrity is never gained when you run, and life ends when there is no more breath. And while we may disagree as to when exactly it starts, doesn't mean we need to bring a government in to twist and distort the value of freedom. The shapes of the leaves and the wind, they follow perfect patterns that, like scattered, only to be found again in broken twigs. Freedom is the founding principle of the same system of roots that grew deep into blood-stained earth. For what? Brave souls drift ahead to the source. Call them soldiers. Freedom to live, freedom to choose. Our war is won when freedom to information that will prevent unwanted births belongs to every one of us. Stand up for these freedoms. Children are not prenups. Every child deserves to be wanted and loved. Page 2545. For inasmuch as you have done it unto me, you have done it unto your neighbor. You have spread anger over the rocks and tried to dry the rivers up with negative thoughts, but we will no longer disguise suffering as progress, and we've replaced hostility with honesty. So I stand up. I'm not ready to be a mother. I am still drifting closer, closer, still trying to gather the beauty and the truth. I'm gonna need to make my nest, drifting closer to the source. And when the mouth of the river opens up, bloody and dilated open from rhythmic contractions, I will bathe in the smooth light of our torrential sun. I will bathe in the light of love. I will be able to provide for my kin and not be left to the mercy of the welfare system. I will teach my child tolerance and acceptance. The air is not empty. Acceptance of those who may disagree with me. An understanding that the snake and the hawk survive for a reason. So let us be with our children. Let us be with these freedoms. Let us sit with them on river rocks and bathe in the light from the sun. Yeah!